Well, you've seen me do satisfying cleans, and today is the day to see me do a very frustrating clean. Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and today I'm going to talk about those difficult areas to clean in a bathroom. And specifically today I'm talking about the bits in along the grouting or the silicone grouting, whatever it is, in behind the taps and in around the taps. Now they're an area in the bathroom that's always going to need a little bit of extra attention. It's constantly getting wet, and so it's not surprising it's going to get a moldy sort of layer to it. So I'm here now. I'm going to do it the long way and the thorough way, and I'm just going to see what I can get off with the scrubber. And it's actually, I may not get it all off, but I'm just hoping I'm going to get it looking better than what it is. It's one of those things where you want to scrub hard enough where you can actually remove some of the mold that's staining the grouting, but you don't want to scrub so hard that you're actually removing the grouting. So there's a delicate balance. You just have to do your best and know what's going to come off and what's not going to come off, because really most bathrooms have areas where you're going to get staining occur over time. I'll first just show you a little bit more closely to see what we're dealing with first. So you can see right in behind there, it's actually not a lot of space in behind the taps to the wall, so it's quite difficult to clean. And you can also see around the taps there's a little bit of build up as well, but hopefully I'm going to get that looking better. First things first, with a job like this, I'm definitely going to wear gloves because I'm going to use an abrasive scrubber. Now, when I'm cleaning something where I know I'm going to have the gloves on for a while, I often wear these cotton gloves, insert gloves. They're usually sold somewhere where in the glove section, and they're just really good for absorbing the sweat inside the gloves. So it makes them a little bit more comfortable. And when I used to do a lot more cleaning, I actually used to have multiple pairs of these and just change them over as I'd go, as needed. But yeah, get your gloves on and then we can start. In my case, I'm going to need glasses as well. So product wise, I've just got this homemade cleaning product. All it is water, or like 80% water, 20% Castile soap, and about 30 or 35 drops of lemon oil. That's all it is. So I'm going to just spray that on just to loosen everything up, because that's what the cleaning product is there for. It's just to start loosening the dirt up, because the dirt molecules get attracted to the soap molecules and get washed away with the water is the hopeful plan. Right. So I've got this scrubber here, and I'm going to wet it first, because when you're cleaning things, your things need to be wet. So basically I'm just going to keep scrubbing away. I spent over 20 minutes actually cleaning this and didn't really make a great result. But anyway, I can say I tried, and I know never to waste my time on that ever again. Although there were certainly areas that I did get clean that in a quick clean I don't always get. So it's a lot cleaner around those taps and a tiny wee bit less build up in that grout line. Sometimes you've just got to know when it's as good as it's going to get. It's life. Happy cleaning, folks, and thanks for watching.